This is the finished look, as you can see. Yeah, I look crazy, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing my hair, as you can see. So what I did was I went ahead and I washed it, and to this style, I've been trying to. I haven't done crochet in like years, so I want to try crochet braids. So I was gonna do like the crochet spring twist, so I went ahead and I prepped these spring twists already. I have like about 100 strands because I want it to be really full. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that, but I just want to get like the part of my hair out of the way before we get into the main deal. So I left this section out, as you can see, because these are gonna be individual so they can cover and look really natural, and it's just gonna be like around the perimeters so it can look like I did everything individually. So yeah, I'm just gonna have the cornrow style pattern to the back. So guys, this is the hair that I already prepped, and yeah, so I went ahead and I tried one of these, and this is how it came out. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So this is already too long, so I can just cut it. And this is spring twist I'm using. This guy pat on the background. You can open it though if you want, or you can just leave it curled up. Still gonna give you the same result. I'm still gonna cut this because I don't want it this long. I want it kind of short, and hanging on my shoulders. So I'm just braiding it, but I'm using this as the base, so this is like kind of my hair, so it's just giving it more grip. Then when I braid till I'm sure it's secure, I can just start twisting, so just twist, edge control, so you keep it in place, and then you just twist. So let me just finish this side and this side, and I'll be right back. Okay. Hey guys, so this is the finished look, as you can see. it's covered in it, it looks like. Then I did like a middle part. So yeah, this is midnight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start, crocheting in this heart. I'm so excited because I look weird. Anyways, I'm so excited because I know it's gonna be really full. So, and yeah. Let me see. So okay guys, I'm just gonna, crochet everything and I'll be back, okay? It's very lightweight. That's why I like this hair. It's very, very lightweight. Put it up in the ponytail, Can wear it like this. I still have a few more strands left, so let me see what part I need to put in. So guys, this is 2 a.m. in the morning, almost 2:30 actually. So I finished all the ones I pre-made, so everything went in, and I would show you guys like a full video of like the finished look tomorrow. But it's really lightweight, it doesn't hurt, and I was just practicing put it in a ball, when I have clients, so it doesn't touch my body and stuff like that. But yes, I really like it. I didn't know it was gonna come out this good because I haven't tried crocheting in a long time. So anyway, stay tuned for the final look in the morning. And, by the way, good night, because I'm going to bed, okay? I love my hair. I look like a baby, but a cute baby. Hey guys, so this is the next day, and honestly, I am loving this baby. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, my lashes are still in place, so yeah. Hey guys, this is the next day. Your girl is camping. So I'm going out. I took today off so I can rest, and my legs can rest, my hands can rest, my fingers can rest. So I'm just gonna go out, just go to the mall, spoil myself, So yeah, I put some edge control. I'm not good with edge control, so sometimes I just, brush it to the back and that's it. But so you can see crochet wear. How would you even know this are crochet, sis? How? Tell me how. I am loving it. I am loving it. Next time I'm gonna go longer, but this is still really perfect because summer is here. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy, and it's just really easy to work with. Just put it up there and you're good. And oh, okay, let me do that again. So see, very easy to work with. You can just style it however you want and go out. Okay, I'm loving it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this really short tutorial. Will I call this a tutorial or just watch me do my hair? Anyways, whatever it is, I'm happy you guys, went through this video with me or this thing with me. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. It's free. You're welcome. I drop content once in a while, but yeah, I try to be consistent as well. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this. Is this something you can try? Is this something you're gonna, let me just know what you think in the comment section. I might like it, but you might not like it, so that's why you should let me know what you like. My name is Jessica, and I'll see you later.